Good morning, everybody. So, we got some work done last night on the kitchen. Everything is a complete and utter disaster now, so it's bad. I'll give you a show of what my living room currently looks like. As you can see, more stuff has been moved into the living room from the kitchen. I ran out of boxes, didn't have but a few boxes. So, everything just kind of congregated in here. So you see all that? We'll take a look outside. The carnage outside that is in my front yard. And in the back of my truck. So you see all that. The things that we found while taking out these cabinets it's kind of funny. Found pictures, things that had fallen in between the cabinets and lost. We found a little saucy letter from an ex-tenant that was here. This is my bathroom, still up the same. And here is the kitchen without the cabinets. There's a big hole in the wall that was covered up by a cabinet. This is actually cut drywall that somebody put in to run a cable for this plug here. So there's my trusty coffee pot that I need to get going. So yeah, cameras are gone. Everything is a complete mess. The progress. So yeah, they're waiting for food. Got paint scattered everywhere. Upstairs, you probably can't see it very well. I'll have to turn on the light. In the office is now more accessible with just stuff everywhere. So that's what it looks like now, and hopefully we'll get progress tonight when I'll be able to show you something else tomorrow morning. So now it's just total destruction. Have a great day, friends.